was managing my assets late one night when my eyes beheld a dreadful sight. The economy began to destabilize, and suddenly, to my surprise,
the market crashed.
It was a monster crash.
A monster crash.
No one could borrow cash.
The market crashed.
It collapsed in a flash.
The market crashed.
It was a monster crash.
What an incredible day today on Wall Street. Kind of mysterious. We had almost 1,000-point drop there at around 2:30 Eastern Time. It was incredible, historic day. We haven't seen this since 1987. When you look at intraday, almost 1,000-point drop. Now, this was, reminded me of 2008 when we were seeing 700, 800, 900 points, up and down days. Extreme volatility. But today was quite strange. Whether it was someone who entered an order that should have been in the millions and they put it in on accident in the billions, or whether it was some other type of glitch. They're not quite sure what triggered today. It's also a possibility that I think that the crisis going on in Greece right now is pretty much priced into the market. But it is possible that fears from that could have put enough pressure on the selling side to where it just snowballed, and then it got to a certain point and the plunge protection team came in. The president's working group on financial markets. Now, a lot of people don't think that that they actively do anything in the market. They were just organized in 1988 under an executive order 12631 signed by Ronald Reagan to prevent another 1987 October crash that we had. Well, that has not been rivaled until today. I mean, what happened today hasn't happened since 1987. So, that's another possibility. I kind of think that it was something that triggered, something that triggered automatic orders, and then once it fell so low, other ones were triggered, and then it was just kind of a snowball like that, because I heard people standing on the floor of the Wall Street Stock Exchange on the stock market floor. They were just watching their monitors. I mean, it's sort of like, I don't think there was a whole lot of human involvement. It happened all of like 15 minutes or a half hour. I mean, I'm sure there were some people made a lot of money off of what happened. There was trillions of dollars went in and came back out. So anyway, it was a pretty exciting day. Those of you who aren't aware, this group that consists of the Treasury Secretary, Chairman of the CFTC, Chairman of the SEC, and Chairman of the Federal Reserve were put together not to allow another 87 style crash. And there's certain times when it seems like they're come in and put a bottom into the market. So whether that's the case or not, I'm not sure. But anyway, it was quite a historic day on Wall Street today.